Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make a delicious chicken cauliflower soup. Let's get a pot and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure to set the stove to medium heat. Olive oil and butter go well together. Let's heat it up until the butter melts. Then let's add the chicken. Let the chicken saute in the olive oil and butter. The olive oil and butter smell great together. Give it a minute and stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the pan. Don't forget to keep stirring so the chicken doesn't stick to the pan. See what I'm doing? Now let us add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and stir it all around. Add 1.5 cup of chopped onion and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir it all together. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger and add 1 cup of parsley. Mix it very well. We add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it for like 30 seconds, like I'm doing. So we can now add the tomato, 2 tablespoons and a half of tomato. Just make sure, mix it all together. Give it like 30 seconds. I add 1/4 cup of water again. Just keep mixing. Now we're gonna go and add 10 cups of water. Stir it very well. Cover it and set the heat to high. When it begins to boil, set the heat to medium-high for about 20 minutes. Now let's go and prepare the cauliflower. Bring 1 head of cauliflower and separate each stem. If they are too big, cut them in half. Then place them in a bowl and wash them very well. Place the washed cauliflower into a metal strainer and put it on top of a pot half filled with water. Next, sprinkle a half teaspoon of salt on the cauliflower and place it on the stove to boil for about 5 minutes. Now let's check on the soup. It's been cooking for 20 minutes, so we can turn off the heat and set it aside. Back to the cauliflower. We are now going to prepare the paste for it. Add 4 eggs, half cup flour, 1 teaspoon black pepper and half a teaspoon salt into a bowl and mix. You'll know you are done when it looks like this. Not too thick and not too liquidy. Let's go back to the stove and begin frying the cauliflower. When it's hot, reduce the heat to medium. Dip each stem of cauliflower into the paste we made earlier. Then begin placing it into the oil one by one. When it gets light brown all around, take it out and place it on the plate. Now let's bring the soup we set aside earlier to a boil. When it starts boiling, put all the cauliflower we just fried into the pot. Make sure not to mush it. Let it boil for 20 minutes on medium-high heat. Every couple minutes, gently move the cauliflower around, just as I am doing. After 20 minutes, we are finally done and ready to serve. Garnish with some parsley and bon appetit. This looks so delicious and is delicious. Tastes great with some bread. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with family and friends. Thank you.